And the TV comes down from the ceiling right there. And here comes the TV as we speak. It's really beautiful. So there you go with the TV. You can be sitting at the lounge very comfortably, enjoying a cocktail, watching a football game with your Starlink out in the middle of the Caribbean. And here are the side windows, thanks to Captain Josh. And the sunroof. So cool. And then Josh, there's also a oh great, got a lot of light now. There's also a retractable shade there.
Yeah,
for
close off the lower.
So you can keep the sun that might be coming down into the lower area as well, yeah?
That's right.